Do you want to have some fun with me today? Chiquel has given me a 40% off coupon code for Valentine's Day that can save you 40% off a purchase. And I thought I would show you a whole bunch of my favorites. Wigs from my own personal wig closet that I love and wear to maybe give you some inspiration. But if you've got some wigs on your wish list, or maybe you have a favorite that you have wanted to get a backup for, or maybe get it in another color, now is the time. You can use the code Denise40 at checkout to save 40% at Chiquel through February 16th. So no better time to save big. But if you'd like to see what some of my favorite wigs are, keep watching. We're going to start with John Renau Olivia. This is Olivia. She is made with regular synthetic fibers. I'm going to show you a wide variety of lengths and fiber types, although most of my wigs tend to be shoulder length and above and heat friendly, but not all of them. So I hope that everyone will see something that I personally love that will also work for them. Olivia is stunning. She is made with regular synthetic fibers. Like I said, she has a fully hand-tied cap. She has this gorgeous soft wave pattern. Great lace front. I do have a review on YouTube. You can go find that. And don't forget, I'm going to list everything below, including the color. Let's go to the next slide. Next up is Belle Tress Madison. This is such a cutie. I have this one in 2 colors, and she is made with heat-friendly synthetic fibers. I could not be more in love with this one, and there may be a 3rd color in my future. I don't know. She is so very easy to wear. The most incredible lace front, which Belle Tress's wigs in general have gorgeous lace fronts. I just love how sassy. I love the length. I love the slight wave. I am thinking of potentially modifying this one, adding a few more waves, maybe doing some trimming right here. The sky's the limit with these wigs. I love her as she is, but I think I can level her up. If I do make her my own, I will make a tip Tuesday, or a tip video, I should say. I don't really do those anymore, to show you exactly what I'm doing so you can learn. She is stunning. Next slide. Next up is Raquel Welch Cruise Control. This one is made with heat-friendly synthetic fibers, and she has a mostly hand-tied cap. I have modified this one a little bit. I changed the part from left going to the right. I changed it to right going over to the left. I plucked the part line a little bit, and I took heat to it to get it so that it would lay like this. It was a little bit of a face flapper. I got lift and I got some separation. And I have videos showing how to do that with both heat-friendly and regular synthetic wigs on YouTube. It is very common for all one length straight bobs to be face floppers, so that's a skill you're going to want. The lace front is amazing. I have a review of this one on YouTube. I also reviewed it in a lighter color, and I think I have a video showing how to put it in a little top knot updo. So definitely want to check this one out if you like straight bobs. Color in the caption. Next slide. This one is Renee of Paris Smooth Waves. This one just launched just a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago, and she's already become a huge seller. This is so popular, and she is absolutely stunning. We've got these really soft waves on heat-friendly synthetic fibers. We do have a little bit of a bang, which you can wear as a full bang. I took a hair dryer to get the bangs to the side while I figured out how I wanted to wear this one, and I showed it on video. I have a review on YouTube, and I do show how I customized this one. Basically just swept the bangs to the side in that video. So you can go and learn more about this style. She comes in a bunch of other colors. And again, all the information and the colors that I am showing in this video are down in the caption. So go check that out. I didn't want to look up every color, and I just couldn't remember them all. So Smooth Waves, Renee of Paris, great lace front. Great piece. Okay, another Belle Tress wig. I am in love with Belle Tress right now, so sorry, we're going to see a lot of Belle Tress. Not all, though. This one is Hepburn. I recently reviewed Hepburn, so I have a review on YouTube. She is absolutely stunning. I love the wave pattern. I love the fringe. You can absolutely wear her with a full bang, or you can sweep these bangs. You can take heat to make sure they stay swept. This side on mine doesn't want to stay swept, but that's a little hairdryer action, literally. Take a hairdryer, blow it this way, you'll get it to stay, I promise. And I do show it in the Smooth Waves video that I did if you'd like to go watch that one. This one has a hand-tied cap. She's from the SE collection. So we've got nearly fully hand-tied. There's a few closed wefts at the bottom. The rest of this is hand-tied. I have worn this one in a half up, half down a couple of times already. She's darling like that. Color in the caption. I finally got a regular synthetic for all of my regular synthetic wig sisters. This is Wille Esprit. I love heat friendly. It really is my preference most of the time, but this one has stolen my heart. You guys, you need to see this lace front. It is impeccable. Look at that. Just stunning. And she is just a perfect throw and go. No, I didn't have to do anything to this one. I almost always have to do something to make a wig my own, not this one. She is so great, a mostly hand-tied cap. Unfortunately, I do not have a review of this one out yet, but she's low density, no permatease, mostly hand-tied, regular synthetic, gorgeous. Again, the color is below. Don't worry, I am looking for a few longer pieces. If you've been wondering where the long wigs are, I present to you TressAllure Sizzle. This is bombshell hair if I ever saw it. This is gorgeous. And even though I don't wear long wigs very often, I always like to have one or two in my collection because you just never know when you're going to be in the mood. And for whatever reason, TressAllure wigs are some of my favorites for ponytails and updos, and their lace fronts are absolutely stunning. So incredibly stunning. This is a heat-friendly synthetic wig, so you'll want to be prepared to maintain these ends with heat. Amanda from Chiquel has a really awesome video showing how to do that on YouTube. And long wigs for ponytails can help so much. It just brings back a little normalcy, and Sizzle is perfect for that. This is how I like to wear my long wigs, and I always like to have at least one for a ponytail. I could not live without my hat wigs. And this one is the Gabor Undercover Halo hat wig. Comes in a bunch of colors, and it is perfect for wearing with hats. I used to keep a hat by my front door and a hat wig in case somebody came over and I didn't have a wig on my head. I could throw it on really quickly before I answered the door, and I know that is a fear of some of you. This is a true hat wig with no hair on top, and of course you can wear a hat with a regular wig, but it can shorten the life of your wig with all the friction, and if you run hot, throwing a hat over a full wig is not going to help you at all. This is a much cooler way, and I love wearing hat wigs with bucket hats. One of my favorite ways to wear them. I just think a hat wig could be a benefit to everyone. And what a great way to use a 40% off coupon code. The Gabor Undercover Halo, color below. Next slide. Next up is Envy Charlotte. Did you know that Envy recently launched Charlotte in 2 more sizes? So now she comes in a petite, an average, and a large cap. She's made with regular synthetic fibers. She has this soft, soft wave pattern. And if you have been avoiding Charlotte because she has a center part, well, I don't part mine in the center. I just flip the front over, and now tell me that doesn't look like a side part. Just because she doesn't part all the way back does not mean you can't go with a side part on Charlotte. This one is such a favorite, and for very, very, very good reason. I have a full review on YouTube. She's stunning. Next week. Next up, Raquel Welch Alluring Locks. I mean, look at this one. What a gorgeous, gorgeous wave pattern. She has got layers. She has got volume. She is absolutely so fun to wear. I've worn this one a handful of times already. One video I don't have on YouTube is how to refresh a heat-friendly synthetic wig, which this is, that has a wave pattern like this without ruining the waves. So I'm wearing this one, and then I'm gonna make that video, and I'll let you guys know how many times I wore her before I had to take heat to her, and I'll show you guys how to refresh a gorgeous heat-friendly wig like this. Raquel Welch's lace fronts are amazing, even in a brown like this, a brunette like this. So gorgeous. Love this one. Next, I couldn't call this a favorites video unless I show you John Renau Holly. I have Holly in 3 colors. I'm actually going to show her to you in 2 colors if I can get them both in under a minute. This is a perennial favorite. So many love Holly. She is a heat-friendly wig with a fully hand-tied cap, and she's stunning. Lightweight, super, super realistic, and something you may not know, John Renau doesn't often allow these 40% off coupon codes on their wigs. So the fact that I can include Holly in this 40% off sale is huge. And if you've wanted Holly, you should grab one now. Normally, I'm not trying to hard sell you in any of these videos, but it's big. This one is the one I've worn the most. The one I just had on is my newer one, and I've cut the bangs on this one. I've probably worn this one easily over a dozen times, easily. So she's probably in need of a wash, but Holly is a must-have. Next, we have On My Way from Raquel Welch. This wig shot to the top right after I reviewed her. I ended up wearing this one to my niece's wedding. I wore this one to a fundraising gala. There's just something about her. She's just great event hair or fancy hair or work hair. You'll be able to wear her up. You'll be able to wear her down. This one does have a lot of fullness, a lot of volume, which a lot of us are looking for when we're dressing up fancy. I have a review not only of this color, but I have an unboxing video where I show her in a blonde, a non-rooted blonde, if I recall correctly, and I show you both of them together. So if you'd like to know more about On My Way, you can find information on YouTube. And finally, I would be absolutely remiss if I did not show you Monroe by Belle Tress, because this is probably the most fun wig that I wear on a regular basis. Wild, curly, so incredibly fun. What I love most about this one is how different you can make her look. You can tuck her, you can leave her out. These curls look totally different when you switch which direction you have it parted. Truly, you can tame her down. You can wear her with headbands. If you don't want her big and wild one day, look at how much she changes just by taming these curls down. I have worn this at least a dozen times. She's in desperate need of a wash. That's kind of a theme, but this one is incredible. She has a mostly hand-tied cap. I have a video showing her on YouTube in 2 colors, a darker color and this color as well. This is such a favorite, such a favorite. So tell me, what caught your eye? Did any of the wigs I showed here today make you think, maybe I could wear that one? Or maybe you own some of them and they're a favorite. Or maybe there's a wig that's been on your wish list for a while that you might now be able to snag with 40% off. I would love to hear in the comments your thoughts. What's a favorite? What's a wig that you would love to own or maybe get in another color? Which of the ones I showed here today are your favorite? And don't forget, these 40% off coupons do not come around very often, especially not for John Renau wigs. So do take advantage of it if you can. I mean, tax refunds, if you're eligible, are coming up soon. And I think, we deserve to have fun with our hair, especially if you've been losing it for a while. So take advantage and let me know what you're loving right now.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.